Guys, this is 60935 here, and welcome to Cracking Sands, or Sands. I don't know what to call it though. I'm just gonna call this my car gun game or racing gun game. So I've played this multiple times before, and this is really fun. So yeah, I'm in the Jollis Cup, and I'm on the Ramp Cup. I have some neat tracks up my sleeve, if it'll load right. So look at this. I have a generator in the back. This is putting my weapons. So for defense, I have a power generator, a boost, which is this right here. Got a power generator, and for my attack, I have a minigun and a freeze gun, and that's technically all that I have on it. But I have the greatest motorbike ever, the Turbo T. Has rather unusual turbocharge. Produce was discontinued when the turbo was Never mind. So yeah, I'm gonna upgrade it. I'm gonna upgrade the weight. And now it's heavy. Now I'm gonna go back. And I'm playing this on a computer, and I have a controller with me, so I could win the races and stuff. Just so you know. So let's see. Oh yeah, the Ram Cup is potentially supposed to be hard. No, but I only got I got all of the other cups, all stars on all of them. So yeah. Game be lagging. Meow. Meow. Okay, come on. Meow. I'm gonna get used to the controls here. Meow. Meow. All this. Meow. I'm terribly sorry for the lag. That's all my fault. Cause for some reason it doesn't like to play right. But I mean not that kind of play bad. It just lags all the way. But whenever I don't record it, it's perfectly fine. Probably because of some weird things going on. Probably have too many tabs up. Maybe, I don't know. Probably some, I don't know. But yeah. Apparently I can't jump. But when I don't play with the controller, I'm able to jump with the spacebar. Such as this. Alright, maybe. Come on. I don't know. See? I'm able to jump. I'm just gonna drive. Meow. Whee. Meow. Meow. Start skiing all over the place. Meow. Waste no other time having people alive. Let's go. I just do this one-handed. Literally, I could just do this one-handed. Cause something with the control to this. I'm able to use one hand on it because the controls are left is to turn left, right is turn right, up is for nothing, and down is for nothing. So that's the basic controls. You can't turn with the other stick or the other the cover or something like that. I don't know. Can't turn with the other joystick. Or you can't turn the camera with your other joystick. So, what happened is, so now whenever I play it, the two joysticks are interactive or are the same. So if I put one of my bumpers down, that's a go, and I put one of the triggers down, that's also go. Put one of the left bumpers down, it'd back up. If I put one of the other triggers down, it'd back up. So yeah. The controls aren't really different, so I'm not really usual to it. On this one, dang, I get so much from that. Literally, I get so much stuff every time. Every time. Man, I'm terribly sorry if the game lags so badly. Like, I need to find a way to stop making it lag, so screw me. So now, I'm able to pull this, and I'm able to get anything from here. I'm trying to get the railgun, because that's like that. And I think the guided missile is something from Fortnite. Nope. Wait, what? Did someone say a guided missile? Because there's one right here, and I don't think nobody asked one, so yeah. So I'm gonna get a drag beam. I want to see what this does, so don't judge me. I'm gonna take the freeze gun off for the railgun, because I'm able to put it back on, so there's no worries about it. I'm just gonna do one race with it. I'm probably gonna do another race, and then that'd be the video. So yeah, I'm terribly sorry. My fault. Oh yeah, this week I have a schedule planned for videos. So stay in for Monday and Tuesday, because that's gonna be my where I do like videos on games. Thursday, Friday. Oh geez, Thursday and Friday is when I do usual things like playing with a meme dump, which is the memes though, but in like one separate like thing, like its own separate like area where I'm able to do things. Drive like a maniac. So, oh, meow, meow. Oh my gosh, meow. Drag 'em. Oh wow, meow. Oh my gosh, that is so brutal. I literally just drag them. Meow. Pull them behind me to win. Meow. Die. Meow. Boom. 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 Well, I guess I'm not going to have any time left, so I'm just going to end the video here. Thank you guys for all of the support on this channel. I just got like 3 subscribers, so that's like a celebration for me. Though I got one channel though, but I've been in that one because reasons that you don't want to know. So yeah. So please like, subscribe. Let's hit for around 20 likes on this video. And I'm trying to go for like 10 subscribers. So yeah, please like,